Meaning of generalissimo.
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 Generalissimo. The term generalissimo refers to a high-ranking military officer who holds supreme command over an army. The title is often used to denote the highest level of military authority in a particular nation or region, and it carries with it a great deal of prestige and power. In some cases, generalissimos have also been political leaders or heads of state, which further amplifies their influence and authority. Overall, being designated as a generalissimo is a symbol of exceptional leadership, skill, and tactical acumen.